In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the maintenance box in your Canon Pixma G4270 printer. First step is to switch off the printer, press the power button for a few seconds and then leave it. Once your printer switches off, we'll go at the back side of the printer. So just turn it around. On the back side you will see there is a large screw. Just unscrew it and just pull with the finger. This is the maintenance box cartridge. You can just remove it. Take the new maintenance box cartridge, insert it here. Close this lid, so you have to just place it like this. This should go first in here and then you can just close this section. Place the screw here. Now you can switch on your printer. So this way we can replace it. Thanks for watching.